Hi friends, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I'm pretty much showing you how I made my Faith Over Fear shirt. So what I'm doing here is pretty much putting the vinyl through my Cricut. It's cutting it. Sorry you can't really see it. I didn't realize that the angle wasn't too good and it was too much light. But I'm just pretty much having the F in the fear, the red F and the red fear printed, and then I'll be weeding it out after everything is done. So that's pretty much what it is. So I'll just fast forward through the rest of this. So here is where I'm weeding out the letters for me to get ready to prep to put on the put on the shirt and then heat press. So nothing much here, so I will fast forward through this as well. I messed up a little bit on the white one, so I had to do another one. I didn't show the other one, but I do show the new one on the shirt. Thanks. Okay, so here I am prepping the shirt for the heat press so that I can be able to press on the letters for the shirt. What I usually do, I usually fold my shirt in half so that I can get a middle crease. As you can see, it already has like the middle crease. And then I press it again so it can be kind of hot and warm so that once the letter gets on there, it'll stick pretty good without having to keep pressing down. So I'll let you take a look at that. And then here you have to measure from the neckline. Is usually 3 or 3.5 inches from the neckline, so that that's how it's supposed to be for all shirts. And I'm just folding my vinyl in half to help get the middle crease for that, so that I can put that on my middle crease for the shirt. And then once I measure that, make sure everything is lined up correctly, then I will put a chiffon paper on top so that it doesn't mess up the vinyl. And then I will press down on the heat press. And then voila, the shirt is complete. And there you have it, the Faith Over Fear shirt. If you would like to purchase a Faith Over Fear shirt, the link is down below in the description, so please check it out. Also, thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you will subscribe and like, and please follow for more videos on DIYs, and then just pretty much my journey. I'm not saying much more here, just pretty much showing you something that I had made when the Black Panther movie had came out. So that's just pretty much it. So once again, thank you so much guys for watching. Please check the like button and please subscribe. Thank you. Love you all and see you all next time.